Hey everyone, this is your friendly PSA to stop consuming and start creating. See, right now we live in an attention economy that demands you to give up your time by staring into a screen or small black rectangle and just consume. So you know how I said to stop consuming about a few seconds ago? Okay, so that's a bit of a lie. I know we all can't stop consuming completely, and I do realize the irony that I'm preaching to you from this platform that is part of that. Rather, I think it'd be best if we all started consuming or taking in content a bit more consciously instead of passively. Just to get this out of the way, I'm no saint. This is a problem I have myself. While I don't watch too much content on my phone, I do spend a lot of time on my computer. Now I am working and creating stuff for YouTube, but at the same time I do often have 20 tabs open with all sorts of videos I want to watch. But after the 20th police body cam video, I often question why I'm even watching these things. I think a great way to go about it is, when you're watching something, ask yourself, how is this serving me? Am I learning something? And is it improving my life? Now, I'm not saying you should only be watching educational and or self-improvement content, as it's totally okay to watch stuff for entertainment, but choose high quality content and not dumb garbage like ow my balls or something. Yeah, let's not turn into that. I mean, we've even got this new Sora 2 AI stuff now, which I'm really not a big fan of. Oh, and not to get too off topic, but a quick aside about all this new Sora AI stuff. I'm just gonna say it, I don't like it, and I think it's going way too far in the wrong direction. There is already enough content out there, and tons of new content is being uploaded every day. And I'll be honest, a lot of that content isn't really that great. So the last thing we need is even more stuff being put out there. And not only that, this stuff is purely synthetic. Almost no creativity or effort was put into it, and it's so easy to make that it's just going to further dilute and pollute platforms with meaningless stuff. Another thing about AI content is that it's gotten so good that before we'd see an AI video and we'd try to figure out if it's real or not. But now it's at the point where we see a real video and we're not even sure if that's real or not. Real video is now being mistaken for fake. And I think it's a problem when the lines between reality and computer-generated images and video are indistinguishable. Which is why I feel hobbies like what we do here are important, because they're real things you can do with your hands with physical objects that doesn't take place on a screen. Now, I'm not completely against AI in general. I think it can be a great tool to help people and even creatives such as myself to get things done, but I do feel we should draw the line somewhere. So let's say no to AI slop. So what's the solution? Well, I think what would be better is if you watched something and then did something. Like what we do on this channel, for example. I love that you all watch these videos here, and I hope that they're educational and inspiring, maybe even entertaining. And if you aren't already, I think it'd be even better if you put the phone down once in a while and just made something. This isn't just shameless self-promotion though, as I'm not saying you should only make something out of Paracord. You can do and make just about anything. Paint a painting, or try a new recipe, or get to that home DIY project that you've been putting off. And it'd be even better if you created something together with a family member or friend. Now, I personally believe that we humans are creative beings, because if you look at the world around us, it's very different than from where it started. We were meant to have ideas, create things from them, and then bring them into reality. But at the same time, we've come so far and created so much that now it seems like all we do is consume, which has a time and place. But when we're passively scrolling on our phones or just watching one video after another, we're not in that creative mode anymore, which isn't what we're here for. So if you've been watching too many things, why not take a break? Make something with your hands. Like this cool little quick release keychain that is simple and easy. But also when you're done, it's got a practical use too, and you've got something to show for it. It could be anything. Just make something and be creative again. And by the way, if you have made something in the last little while, let me know in the comments down below what you did. I appreciate your time and thank you for watching.